Hello everyone, welcome back to Progress in English. In today's video, we are going to take a spelling test. Let's begin. Question 1. The baby is in the cot. The correct option is D. Question 2. Please turn off the light. The right option is C. Question 3. He used a scalpel to cut the paper. The right option is A. Question 4. He washed his hands with soap. The correct option is B. Question 5. The sun sets in the evening. The right option is B. Question 6. We watched the cartoon on TV. The correct option is C. Question 7. He wore a warm jumper in winter. The right option is A. Question 8. He drew a circle with a compass. The right option is B. Question 9. He put the letter in an envelope. The right option is D. Question 10. I took a bite of the juicy peach. The right option is C. Question 11. The bee makes honey. The correct option is A. Question 12. My uncle is a doctor. The correct option is B. Question 13. We crossed the bridge to get to school. The right option is D. Question 14. The icing of the cake was delicious. The right option is C. Question 15. I saw my reflection in the mirror. The right option is A. Question 16. The king is wearing a crown. The right option is B. Question 17. She wore a silver necklace around her neck. The right option is D. Question 18. The baby drank from a bottle. The right option is C. Question 19. We flew a kite in the park. The right option is A. Question 20. We sat on the green grass. The right option is B. Question 21. She picked a red flower from the garden. The right option is D. Question 22. We stayed in a small cabin by the lake. The right option is C. Question 23. The bucket is full of water. The correct option is D. Question 24. She painted a beautiful picture. The right option is B. Question 25. She has a lovely singing voice. The correct option is B. That's it for today's video and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next time. Bye.